let's do some warm-up exercise. First, let's work on our head. Rotate it very slowly. Next, stretch your arms and shoulders. Very quick. Yes. Now, bend the hips. Back, stretch it out like this. Then on your legs, straight out. Now that we are already warmed up, we can already start our
Wow, you look refreshed and energized. Since your blood flow freely, let's have a recap on what we discussed last time. Can you give the types of leg boundary? Very good! The three types of boundary are continental leg boundary, divergent leg boundary, transformed leg boundary. Now, can you give the geological features for convergent leg boundary? Very good. The geological features for convergent leg boundary are volcanic arc, trench, mountain ranges, and plateau. How about the features of divergent leg boundary? Very good. The geological features formed in divergent leg boundary are mid-ocean ridge and reef valley. How about in transform fault boundary? What are the geological features? Very good. Valley, small fans, trenches, and ridge. Today, we are going to perform one of the possible causes of plate tectonics. Are you ready, Cristianos? Great! Okay, here are the materials needed in our activity. So, for safety measure, we use apron and goggles. We use oil, color chalk, mortar and pestle, beaker, alcohol lamp, Vargos, tripod, steering rod, and match.
Don't forget to wear your safety gear such as apron and goggles for your protection. In a mortar, pound colored chalk with pestle until it pulverized. Using a paper funnel, slowly put the pulverized chalk at the center of the beaker. Slowly put cooking oil inside the beaker using a stirring rod to make sure that the chalk is at its place. Set up the beaker with chalk and cooking oil in the tripod. Then, light up the alcohol lamp and make sure to make this with the guide of your parents or your guardian. Last, heat up the setup for how many minutes and observe what will happen. And now for your guide questions. Number 1. What happened to the chalk? Number 2. As the core releases high amount of temperature, what will happen to the plates? Number 3. What do you call the process involved in this activity? Our activity has something to do with our lesson for today, causes of plate movements.
But before that, let's have to know the driving force in plates movements. 3 of the forces that has been proposed as the main drivers of tectonic plate movements are: first, the mantle convection current. Warm mantle current drive and carry plates of lithosphere along like a conveyor belt. Second, ridge push, buoyant upwelling mantle at mid-ocean ridges. It is a newly formed plates at oceanic ridge are warm and so have a higher elevation at the oceanic ridge than the colder, more dense plate material farther away. Gravity causes the higher plate at the ridge to push away the lithosphere that lies further from the ridges. And third, slab pull. Older, colder plates sink at subduction zone because as they cool, they become more dense than the underlying mantle. The cooler sinking plate pulls the rest of the warmer plate along behind it.
To sum it up, the causes of plate movement are convection currents, ridge push, and slab pull. That's all for today. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!